Hi, I'm Bob Pellerin, CTO Bob, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and showing you the Blink XT2 from Amazon. In this case, we've got 3 cameras, as you can see, and these are basically cameras that can go in or outside. They're battery powered and they use Wi-Fi, so they're easy to set up around the house for security if you're looking after pets or if you have property during these times. For example, if you can't get to your properties, it's a great way to monitor them remotely. So let's go ahead and open one of these boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wrapper off. As you can tell, it's so they're relatively small in size, as you'd expect. Let's take a quick look. They're quite thick. A little surprised by the thickness of them. And so let's see what we've got here. So we've got 3 of these. And we've got a small instruction manual with a few papers. We have this unit here, which actually will control it, and this has a USB. You can tell that's all there is to it. And let's take a look, see what else we've got. So you've got the power, which I'm going to go ahead and open. And so this would basically power this, and this is the other end, so they've got a charger. So that's the part that is powered. You've got some mounts for the back of the cameras, and they're providing you with batteries, which are ultimate lithium energizers, and these are supposed to last up to 2 years according to the documentation. And there's some screws, and each kit basically has the same thing. It's a bracket, double A batteries, and that's about it for the box. There's some screws. So we're going to go and take a quick look at the back of this. So it says slide latch down on it and then lift cover. So you're supposed to slide the latch down and lift cover. There we go. And so this would go into here. I'm trying to see if these are rechargeable or not. I guess not. They're just literally lithium. Okay, so you put that in there. It's just to put lithium only. We'll put them in here. Put that back in there. Press. Let's go ahead and set these up. So the first thing to do is look up for Blink Home Monitor, and you're going to see this. This is the one that we want. So we're going to go ahead and click on Get. And there we go. And now we click Open. And now we need to create an account for it. So let's go ahead and do that. United States East. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and select where it says wireless camera. Start with a sync module and then add wireless cameras. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now we're going to have to take the QR code. Okay, so what you want is you want the Q card on this unit. Create new system. So as you can tell now, the lights here are blinking as in the picture there. So we press on Discover. Want to join, say join. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick my Wi-Fi. And there we go. Now we're going to go ahead and add some devices. Add a sync device. So we want to add a camera. And of course it is on the inside. You can capture it. Capture the QR code. And we're going to go ahead and add it. And there we go. So now we have a camera that's installed. Okay, so we can go ahead and turn it on. You can also take a picture. And so that's how we set it up. Now if we want to go ahead and take a quick look around, let's see, so we have one that is saved. You can go into, you can manage your account, and it's pretty basic. You'd have all your cameras here. You can also arm it, so at that point you could set it up to have a motion detection on it. And that's all there is to it. It just detected there's motion, so that's working. I'll take it off. And there you go. Please visit us at www.ctobob.com. We've got blogs, we've got videos. Of course, you're on this channel, so please give us a thumbs up if you like this. And if you want to support us and help us out, please be sure to subscribe. Thank you.